Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
How are you, Mazhar?
I'm fine. How are you, teacher?
Good, alhamdulillah. Thank you. How was your day?
Alhamdulillah.
So, did you practice your lesson, Mazhar?
Yes.
Very good, shabash. So, can you see the page, Mazhar?
Yes.
Okay, start reading. First read Ta'awuz. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Then Bismillah.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
What's that one, Mazhar?
ألف
Very good. What's that?
باء
Very good, shabash. Very good. And what's that?
تاء
Very good. And what's that?
ثاء
Again.
ظا
Yes. Sa.
ثا
Yes. What's that one?
جيم
Very good. Shabash. And what's that?
حاء
Very good. MashaAllah. And what's that one, Mazhar?
قاف
Very good. And what's that?
دال
Very good. And what's that?
ذال
Very good. Shabash. And what's that?
راء
Very good. And what's that?
زاء
Very good. And what's that?
سين
Very good. Shabash. So what's that one?
تاء
Very good. And what's that?
ثاء
Yes. So, okay, Mazhar, tell me what is the difference between ta and tha?
Ta is two dots. Sa is three dots.
Very good. Ta has two dots and tha has three dots. Okay, very good. Shabash.